Huh? Pouting because he can't wait to get home.
What? Diana, it's you.
I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to startle you.
No, I was just distracted is all.
Huh? What's the matter?
Actually, it's because I'm not going back home. My parents called and told me they won tickets to a cruise in the Caribbean. It's very last minute, but they didn't want to waste them, so guess I'm staying here.
Oh, that's very unfortunate. Can't you change plans?
Since I was supposed to leave the country, Lotte and Susie already left to do their own things yesterday. Amanda and Jazz are going to Consum in Germany, but I don't want to intrude, you know?
Yes, I understand. That's new.
And to think this was going to be a fun summer. Oh, Diana, you always stay here, don't you? We can spend summer together instead.
Well, actually, since everyone was leaving, I thought there's some research at the manor I wanted to do. But maybe you can accompany me? If you want to, of course. It's probably going to be quite boring, though. And my aunts and cousins will be there as well, and you've already met them. You know how awful they can be. Although, it could be a bit better than staying here in Luna Nova by yourself. But if you think this sounds like an absolutely mental idea, you don't...
I think it's a wonderful idea! Oh, we could go see... No, create fireworks! We could have a picnic and sleep until late and tell stories and have a pajama party. We could drink hot cocoa. You do like hot chocolate, right? I could brew the best recipe with marshmallows. Maybe we could ask Anna to lend us the kitchen and bake some cookies too. Ooh, we could go swimming in the lake. Please tell me we can swim in the lake, Diana. When are we leaving?
Well, I plan to leave tonight, but if you need more time to pack and prepare accordingly, we can leave tomorrow morning.
No, I'm gonna pack right now. Thank you so much, Diana. The joke's on you, Mom and Dad. This is going to be the best summer.
Huh?